Alright, what's up YouTube? Back again for another video. Giving you another sales update. Today is April 26th. Where I live right now, it's 12:27. Already got 2 sales on the day. Now I'm at 512 sales. And I guess I hit another milestone, my first $1,000 on merch. So that's pretty cool. Um, I keep selling shirts that haven't sold. So, I mean, that's good, but I do want to change all my prices back from 1307 back to I'm probably going to be doing 17.99 as base cost, but um still pressing this number up, products with sales, trying to get some more stuff ranking before I get to tier 1000. I'm still waiting on my tier up. Usually when they do tier ups, it's on Thursday, so hopefully this Thursday we'll do that, but I'm still going to keep working on my account, deleting and putting new stuff in there. Um, yeah, so I'm pretty happy. I'm anxious, waiting to get it done. Let's get this tier up, baby. Hurry the fuck up, okay? Um, let's see. So for today, my sales. This shirt right here. Hold on. I guess I'll go like this. So you guys can see this today. So I sold 2 things today. It's only noon, so hopefully I get some more. My royalty is $2.58 per thing. Let's see. They're both standards, both men fits, and this shirt right here is the one I always tell you guys about. The one that is like, it's just super simple. It's one of the first shirt that I ever made that was beyond my clothing line, and it's my most consistent shirt. I pretty much sold about 100 of these, and it's on the first page, and it's an evergreen. This shirt right here, honestly scares me. I might need to delete everything out of this niche, because somebody's trying to copyright this phrase. And one thing you'll learn on your merch journey is the fact that once something is trending on Amazon and a bunch of people are making a shirt, um, just for an example, all the shirts that say just a girl who loves blah blah dot dot dot, right? Um, Somebody just copywritten that, and now Amazon's probably about to sweep all of those shirts that say that in the beginning. So that's one thing I always want to stress to you guys, is to try to do as many evergreens as possible, is like, different job titles and different, stuff like that, because when it comes to trends and different stuff like that, people are always trying to copyright some shit. So just, a perspective, and, just something I've learned on my journey. So right now, um, their trademark is kind of pending for this. I just kind of showed you it. It just showed you it. But it's okay, whatever. But yeah, so a trademark is pending for this. So I'll be checking it regularly and seeing if it gets approved. But if it does get approved, I will be deleting all of these shirts, which sucks. And you know, I, I I wish I knew everything I knew when I started my merch account. So that's one thing I am about helping you guys, because you know just do evergreens, man. 80% evergreens, 20% trends and holidays, because of reasons like that, copyright reasons, just different stuff that's that kind of fucks it up when you're not doing evergreens. Just consistency on your account, all kind of stuff. So um yeah, I appreciate all the good feedback that you guys been giving me on the channel. You guys been motivating me. You guys think I'm motivating you, but you're motivating me to stay on my account and to show you guys all the ropes. But yeah, so now I'm gonna make sure I do these daily updates. I'm getting a lot of comments saying that you guys like it, and being able to see my journey the way I get to see my journey. So, but hey, if you guys like the content, um, just make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and give me feedback on what you guys want to see. Um, Maybe sometime today, or I just know sometime this week, I'm making a vector pack, a summer vector pack that's strictly different little designs that will help you make summer designs, summer shirts. So, different silhouettes of like surfing, palm trees, different little stuff that'll help you guys design for the summer. Because sales are definitely about to pick up. Um, I'm definitely going to be choosing more tank tops and less hoodies. So just something to be mindful for. You want to choose tank tops and stuff when it's hot. You want to choose more hoodies when it's cold. Just little stuff to pay attention to. But that's all I got for this video, man. Just make sure you guys subscribe and let me know feedback and let me know what you guys want to see. All right, that's all I got for this video.